We're here in Unit 92 in the Sunset Suites building at Club Wyndham Emerald Grande here in Destin, Florida. This, in fact, is actually a studio unit. So if you're planning a trip here in the near future and you want to see what a studio unit looks like, you'll just want to stick around and check it out right after this. All right, so here we are inside of our studio unit here at Club Wyndham Emerald Grande in Destin, Florida. As soon as I come inside the door here, we do have the bathroom. So let's go in here, take a quick look around. So yeah, pretty good sized bathroom. Does have a single vanity, nice mirror there. You do have your Roots kind of pump soap and body lotion. Then here we also have a really nice kind of soaking tub. Just kind of your garden style tub. I don't see any jets actually in there, but it does kind of have this little kind of shower wand over there too. So that's really nice. Then we have a good size shower. Let's just take a look in here. You do have your Roots body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Kind of a small little shower. There is a light in there, I believe, but I didn't turn it on. So nice shower there. Of course, you have your toilet and plenty of towels. But now let's head in here. We have a small closet here, but I looked in there. It's just air conditioning, so nothing really in there. And here we have a king size bed. So a really nice big bed, nice headboard, a couple of nightstands, and of course, a television down here at the end with a nice kind of dresser there too. So some additional storage. Then coming in here a little bit further, we do have a small closet here. This one just has some storage, some extra bedding, iron and ironing board. Then we have one on the opposite side here. This is where you'll find in-room laundry. So a stacked kind of high efficiency washer and dryer. Now I'm kind of impressed with the amount of space in here. You have a really nice kind of living room, dining room, kitchenette area. You do have your television up on top of a TV stand and a Blu-ray player there too. So yeah, really nice sofa, nice chair there. I'm pretty sure this will also pull out. Let's just take a look under there. Yep, a pull-out sofa. And you have some artwork on the wall. Dining room table there for 4. And a pretty good kitchen area here. Actually, I'm kind of impressed. You have a 2-burner cooktop. You have a microwave. You have a dishwasher. Kind of an apartment-style refrigerator. So yeah, really nice big sink. Let's take a look in these cabinets here. We have our glassware. So glassware looks like for 4 people. You have dinnerware in here for 4. So some bowls, measuring cup, a colander up there. Let's see if there's anything above the refrigerator. Nope, that's actually empty. So let's just take a quick look inside the refrigerator here. This is kind of your standard refrigerator, just a little bit smaller, and it does have an ice maker there. So yeah, kind of a good sized fridge for the size of the unit. Then on the counter, you do have your toaster and coffee maker. And I'm sure in here, we might have cooking utensils and cutlery or silverware there too. So plenty of stuff, everything you pretty much need to cook up and serve some meals here in the villa. And then we do have a set of stainless steel pots and pans and a couple of non-stick skillets there too. Under here, we just have trash and some kind of kitchen supplies there as well. So now that we've seen inside the room here, let's just take a quick walk out here, take a look at our balcony, and it looks like it's kind of just a French style or Juliet style balcony. Let's unlock that. We don't have any chairs in the one we're at, but yeah, just a little kind of walkout thing here. Looks like some of these other rooms might actually have an actual balcony, but not ours. But we do have a look down here to the marina. There is some fairly loud music down there, but good thing was I didn't hear it at all in the room. So it looks like they have some good soundproofing with that patio door. So yeah, really nice view out here. Little boats going by here. Looks like drinking and party boats. There's like a little tiki hut that's on a boat. That's kind of cool. Really nice views out here to the water. You can see the bridge over here. So yeah, really great views here at Emerald Grande.